Hello guys, and welcome to Moving In and Behind the Scenes Part 3 in my she shed. This is the last behind the scenes video. In this video you will see every finishing touch that we did before the final reveal, and this will close out the entire series about my she shed. So you'll see me doing a lot of decorating and everything finally coming together, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hello, I finally washed my hair. So I've been working on the shed for about 4 days straight, and I haven't washed my hair or really cared about it at all because I've been so caught up in the shed. So I finally took the time last night to wash my hair, so that's why it's wet right now. But today I'm working on some really exciting things. So I have more pillows that I need to put on the couch, and I just have more decor that I'm gonna place all around here. So I'm gonna film myself while I get started and move things around, and I'll decide if I like where everything is so far. Like on my shelves, I think I might switch some stuff around. So I just have a lot of decisions to make, and it's gonna be a lot of just like looking and seeing if I like it and then tweaking it and then looking at it again. So that's how things tend to go when I'm decorating. But you know, you just have to look at it and get a feel if you like it, and then you can switch it up. So I'm gonna be placing a lot of things and just seeing how they look, and I'll show you every step of the process. So let's go. Okay, I like to call this part arranging and rearranging because I usually play around with how things look for a good while before I settle on something, and there's a good chance the way that it looks in these clips is not the way that it looked in the final reveal. I think with decorating, it is so important to just trust your eye. I could visualize this for months and try to place these items in my head, but placing them in real life and seeing the size and scale and the color balance and everything really changes how I want the vision to come to life. So I moved everything around quite a bit, but eventually I settled on something, and I'm really, really happy with it. If you haven't seen how everything turned out and did end up looking, I will link the final reveal right here. And here I am trying to plug in this enormous salt lamp that I got on Amazon, and then you can see me flipping the button and it's not coming on. So it was not working for the final reveal, but I probably just need to order a new light bulb for it, even though it did come with one. So it still looks cute sitting here, and I decided to leave it. Also, if you ever wondered, yes, I am filming all of this on my phone. You can see it on the tripod in the mirror right now, actually, so I just thought I would point that out to you guys. And these hanging baskets were another Amazon find. They were actually way bigger than I thought they were going to be, but that's totally fine because it takes up good space in that corner. So my dad was just trying to shorten the rope a little bit before we hung them up. Okay, you guys, pillows are so fun. They are something you can really switch out for every season and just have a lot of fun with, constantly changing them around. But I did want a good neutral base of pillows for this couch. So you can see I just have beiges and grays and then one like dark gray in the front. And so I really liked just having a neutral base, and I can always switch these out with the seasons and make it more fun. And then I decorated the coffee table with, you guessed it, another Amazon find, so I will link these beads and everything else below. Now it's time to decorate the bathroom. So the first thing I'm doing is unboxing these frames that I got from Michael's. It was a 5-pack and I was just planning on using 4 of them. So I'm unboxing them and putting the pictures in them, and then you will see these being hung on the wall in just a few minutes. I also don't think I ever showed you guys the bathroom mirror. Hello. We hung the mirror and it looks so good with the light and with the towel rack. So this was my grandpa's. He had saved it for some reason and I found it out in his woodshed and decided it was the perfect towel rack. So it's a little bit more like rustic looking than the rest of the gold stuff in here, but I love that. I think it adds a little touch of just something unique. So that is what we've done in the bathroom so far. And now I'm going to unpack some of the cute little accessories, and everything needs to be cleaned in here. Like there's pencil marks in the sink and there's dust from where we've been hanging things on the wall. So it needs to be cleaned, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get some of the details in here. Don't ever underestimate the impact of little touches just like towels in a bathroom. I had no idea how much this was going to really transform the space, but you can see just when I sit these towels on top of the toilet and the little wicker trash can, how much it really changes the space and makes it feel a lot more homey and cute. And I have a whole separate video of me decorating the shelves above the toilet, so that's why I didn't include any footage here of me decorating those, because I have a separate video and I'll link it up here right now.
Are they signed?
These are the times that I laugh when I'm editing these videos, because this footage I condensed down to about a minute or less, but I was standing on that ladder in this position for 40 minutes. I had 40 minutes of footage of nothing but this, so you're welcome. I cut it down for you, but this was so much fun to hang this light fixture and finally see it take effect in the room. It's just such a good boho touch, and I am in love with this light fixture. And also, if you were wondering, the room looks super pink because the only light source we had was the neon light that we hung a few videos back. So I will link that here. And then once we finished, it was time to test out the light finally. I've been trying not to put my clips in super fast forward just because I know that that's not always interesting to watch, but I thought this one was really satisfying to watch in super fast forward, and you can also see me watching the TV while I'm taking this tape off, but I thought it was really satisfying to watch this and see the final product at the end of the trim in between these bookcases. It looks so cool. And now one of my favorite moments was hanging this custom piece of art that I made. I just bought a canvas at HomeGoods and completely changed it and painted it to what I wanted to be on the canvas. So I have a video all about that. I will link it right here. But finally getting to hang it up and see the vision that I had all along was so amazing, and I'm really happy with how this turned out. And just a disclaimer, I am off camera giving direction about the positioning of this, but thanks to my dad for being the one to hang this up and to hang up most of everything in here so that I could be off camera telling him what looks good. And that's it for this video, guys. You saw all of the finishing touches that we did before the final reveal. A lot of this was actually filmed on the same day as the final reveal, so we were really cutting it close, but I'm so happy we finished on time and that I could share this whole project with you guys. I will link the whole Building a She Shed series right here if you want to go back and watch the entire thing from start to finish. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I'll put the tags right here. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.